Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to generate this type of AI trending images and illustrations for free. Go to your browser and type Bing AI Image Creator. Click on this link. Then click on Join and create one. Then you need to log in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have, click on this button, Create One. When you log into your account, you can check these already created images and designs. To generate AI images, type your text here. I want to type a dog wearing a hat and glasses sits on a table. Here are free credits that we can use to generate images. Click on Create. It takes little time. And here are the results. Click on the image to view. If you want to download, click here. Let's try it one more time. A multicolor parrot wearing headphones and glasses. And here are the results. Let's try it for illustration. Illustration of a blue racing car running on a track. And here are the results. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.